Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot using ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down, and in this case let's go for our settings. Right here make sure that you're on top of the page. Then press on the combination of a power key and volume down key at the same time. That way you'll make a screenshot. Now click on this icon right here and you'll be able to select the size of your screenshot. It's still not full page, but you will get at least more than usual. Click on save, and that's how you take, let's say, more than normal screenshot, not a full page one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.